Good day, everyone. We are Group A9 given the topics of green logistics. Our group members consist of 4 persons. I'm Shani, and the other three are Nurul Zulaika, Baki Sofia, and Nurul Natasha. Green logistics refers to the integrations of sustainable practices and policies that aim at reducing the environmental impacts of industry operations.
I will gonna talk about importance of green logistics. Importance of green logistics is the current context is growing, especially due to the various and critical factors that are affecting both the environment and global economy. Green logistics has an important role, including the following. First, resources optimization will help the present the attentive to use of resources. Also, logistics can improve overall business performance and address complex and large-scale challenges. Second, reducing the impact of climate change. This effort is meant to reduce change in global and regional climate pattern by lowering carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere and addressing system risks caused by climate change. In addition, green logistics have enhanced a company corporate image and social responsibility by creating a positive impact on society and environment. Companies can implement various initiatives and contribute to sustainability. Next, the issue in green logistics. Many companies today are competing to reduce the negative impact on the environment. The first is Amazon, which is facing problem due to its complete reliance on complex transportation on network. Therefore, the company intends to take steps to reduce carbon emission in its transportation, or normally by transitioning to use of renewable energy. Second, FedEx is introducing electric delivery truck to identify the most effective distribution route and optimal transportation on mode in order to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Third, Blenders is saving to achieve net zero emission across the entire value chain by taking the initiative to use 100% renewable energy in its operation.
In this part, we are going to discuss about the strategies of implementing green logistics. Implementations of green logistics is essential in the green logistics element, which include green transportations. The transitions of diesel-powered vehicles to electric or hybrid vehicles is one of the most effective strategy as it produces zero emissions that helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and air pollutants. In addition to cleaner engine, the adoption of energy-efficient vehicles (EV) and promoting the use of cleaner fuels for vehicles and heavy-duty trucks can lower the carbon footprints of the transport sector. Furthermore, systems that prioritize the load poolings and optimize the delivery route plannings can improve fleet management. Implementations of green logistics in packaging refers to the use of eco-friendly material such as biodegradable, reusable, or recyclable packaging. In order to minimize environmental impact, packaging design is optimized by limiting the use of plastic and lowering the weight and volumes of packaging. Whereas in the warehouse operations, sustainable warehouse incorporate features like energy efficient lighting such as LED light instead of conventional light which consume less energy and have longer lifespan that reducing both energy costs and the need for frequent replacement. Other than that, installations of solar panel on the rooftop of the warehouse generate renewable energy from sunlight and allow energy storage for future use. In addition, installing motion sensor for intelligent lighting control help further reduce energy consumption by ensuring light are only on when needed. Green logistics through reverse logistics manage product according to the principle of 5R, which are returns, recalls, repairs, recycling, and repackaging. In the aspect of technology, radio frequency identifications RFID, barcode scanning, transportation management system, and warehouse management system are being introduced to track goods across various stages of logistic process.
Curiosity is an important part of protecting the environment and building a greener future. There are many solutions to the challenges. First of all, government around the world support small and medium-sized businesses in adopting green logistics by offering subsidies, grants, and tax credits. For example, The US provides tax credit for buying electric vehicles, and the Europe Union invested 110 billion in renewable energy in 2023. These programs help reduce the cost of adopting electric vehicles and other green technologies. SMEs can also work together to share the costs of green logistics like investing in electric vehicles fleets or charging stations. This teamwork allows them to save money, lower operational costs, and stay competitive. One big challenge for green logistics is awareness barriers. Many businesses focus on short-term financial goals and ignore the long-term benefits, like saving money and improving their brand. Additionally, many stakeholders don't understand how things like using excessive or non-recyclable packaging harm both the environment and their costs. This lack of awareness slows down the adoption of sustainable practice. Another challenge is managing complex supply chains. As supply chains become more interconnected, the risk of issues like delays or shortage increase. Scholars 2024 points out that this problem can spread across global supply chains, making it even harder to achieve sustainability goals. Biodiversity is an important part of protecting the environment and building a greener future. There are many solutions to the challenges. First of all, governments around the world support small and medium-sized businesses in adopting green logistics by offering subsidies, grants, and tax credits. For example, the US provides tax credits for buying electric vehicles, and the European Union invested 110 billion euro in renewable energy in 2023. This program helped reduce the cost of adopting electric vehicles and other green technologies. SMEs can also work together to share the cost of green logistics, like investing in electric vehicles, fleets, or charging stations. This teamwork allows them to save money, lower operational costs, and stay competitive. To overcome awareness barriers in green logistics, businesses can offer education and training programs like workshops and webinars. These programs teach employees about waste reduction, energy efficiency, and the benefits of electric vehicles. This help employees understand the long-term benefits and green practices. Targeted campaigns on social media and at public events can also highlight the benefits of green logistics. A clear message can address misunderstood, showing that the green practices are not too expensive and can actually save money in the long run. Lastly, managing complex supply chain is by using digital tools like real-time tracking and analytics can improve visibility and they identify problems. These tools are essential for managing risks like delay or shortage.
Last, we will see about the factor of influencing green logistics. The first factor is the regulatory and legal factor. Through a combination of strict law, policy, and incentive intended to support environmental sustainability, government play a crucial role in forming green logistics to encourage businesses to adopt more environmentally friendly practice. A number of environmental laws are in place, including carbon levies, emission caps, waste management restriction, and sustainability standards. The second factor that influences green logistics is consumer expectation. Consumer expectation refer to the consumer awareness and the desire for sustainability. Brands that emphasize sustainable practice, like cutting down on packaging waste and providing carbon neutral delivery alternative, are preferred by today's environmentally conscious consumer. The third factor is the technological advancement. The environmental impact decreases via the use of renewable energy system for warehouse, AI-driven route optimization software, and electric car. For instance, logistic firms such as DHL use tools for route planning to reduce fuel use. This technological development not only enhance overall logistic performance, but also aid in achieving environmental goals. In conclusion, green logistics is ultimately about more than just protecting the environment. In a market with fresh competition, is a strategic advantage. Businesses that adopt this strategy improve their resilience and profitability in addition to protecting the environment. Businesses may create
the foundation for a sustainable and prosperous future by coordinating their logistics with sustainability objectives.